It's just been marinating in this bag now. Look at that. It's just sitting there marinating, talking about, go ahead, cook me. I need you to cook me up. I taste so good. I'm trying to tell you, this stuff tastes great, okay? I'm excited for this one. I'm gonna show you a lunch or a dinner idea. If that's something that you're looking for, using beef or chicken. It's so easy to make. If you want to, it's the weekend, you got the grill fired up, throw them on the grill. If you want to, you can put them in a crock pot, or you can just cook them on the stove. Either way, it's super simple. It's beef or chicken. It's just how they're flavored. And I'm here at HEB right now, but if you don't have an HEB, I'm sure your Publix has it, Kroger has it, Walmart. So every store I've been to has a pre-seasoned, already seasoned meat, marinated meat that you can cook. And man, it's a quick cheat code. It tastes so good. The family's gonna love it. I'm trying to tell you. There's different things that you can add to it. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna go look for a chicken or a beef fajita. I mean, who doesn't like chicken or beef fajitas now? Come on, it's so good. Now this is just so easy. I'm trying to tell you, fire up the grill if you have a grill and put these on there and they come out great, okay? If you don't have a grill, that's all right. Just put them on the stove. If you have a crock pot, what you can do is put them in the crock pot in the morning, and then they're gonna be ready by lunchtime, and just leave them in there and they'll be ready. You know, you can snack on them all day long. You can have lunch, you can have dinner, great way to meal prep. So if you're looking for a meal prep idea, this works great. But like I said, I'm here at HEB. One of the best pre-seasoned, pre-marinated chicken and beef I have ever had is here at HEB. Now I've had the Kroger brand, that one's good as well. But even if you don't have HEB, like I said, it's all right. Just go to your local store and look for the pre-marinated fajita meat, and that makes everything so much simpler. Let me show you what they have here. Now HEB has these right here, boy. I'm trying to tell you, these pre-marinated chicken fajitas are so good. It is a cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, fire up the grill, throw these on there. Or what you can do is just cook them on the stove. They come out great like that. Like I said, put them in a crock pot. You really don't want to do anything. Just throw these jokers in the crock pot. You don't have to do anything else. Heat them up, make them ready, put them in the morning. They're going to be ready for lunch. They're going to be ready for dinner. It is so quick and easy. I'm trying to tell you, these things are a cheat code right here. Now, these are the chicken breasts, which tastes great. But if you want a little more flavor, go with the chicken thighs. Look at that. They got the chicken thighs too. These are the ones I like to get. Okay, chicken thighs, but it's just whatever fits into your diet. All this is chicken with seasoning on it. Okay, so what you can do as well is buy your own chicken and season it however you want to do it. But this just makes it so much easier. It's a cheat code. This is a great meal prepping way to be ready for the rest of the day. If you don't know what you're going to eat later on in the day, put these on in the morning and you're guaranteed to like them. Okay, now if you don't want to go the chicken route, look for the beef fajita. All right, this beef is amazing. I'm trying to tell you, you put this joker on the grill, put it on the stove or in the crock pot, it comes out. Basically, it's just been marinating in this bag now. Look at that. It's just sitting there marinating, talking about, go ahead, cook me. I need you to cook me up. I taste so good. I'm trying to tell you, this stuff tastes great, okay? So what I want you to do is take these right here, get your grill fired up, put them on there. Get your stove fired up, put them on there, get that crock pot fired up, put it in there, okay? It is such an easy cheat code, all right? I'm trying to tell you, I don't know how to make it any easier, but this is a great thing for the weekends. You know, if you got some folks coming over and you're like, hey, what are we gonna eat? We always use these, right? Get you a few packages of these. They're already marinated. They taste amazing. Everybody's gonna love them, I promise you. Now, what you can do as well, depends on what kind of tortillas you wanna roll with. You can roll with like homemade tortillas. Boy, it's serious like that. If you're nutritional fitted, get you some homemade tortillas. That's the best way to go. But if your nutrition can't fit that, or you don't have an opportunity to either buy or make some homemade tortillas, the ones I like to use, of course, I always recommend the zero carb tortillas. These are the ones I use. I keep these in stock. Sriracha Ranch are amazing. They're already flavored, zero carbs. They taste great and they're small. Okay, so I use these all the time. I've used them in plenty of my videos. If you watch my other videos, you'll see I use these. You can also just go with the plain one as well, if you want to go that route. If you're low carb, go with these, okay? If you're not low carb and you're not worried about it, go get you some tortillas, whichever ones you want. Or if you don't want to do any tortillas at all, just get you some lettuce, okay? Get you like the kale salad that comes already in the package. Get you some of that and just put the chicken on top. Just put the beef on top of that. I'm trying to tell you, it tastes great. Now, with the chicken, what I have found in my many years of eating this chicken fajita is green salsa goes perfect with chicken. I don't know, it's just something about the green with the chicken just goes great. If you know on this, let me know. All right, if you use green salsa on your chicken, I'm trying to tell you, all you got to do is cook that chicken, get you some of this green salsa, tortilla of choice, salad of choice, however you want to roll, put a little green salsa on there. It's just amazing. I'm trying to tell you, you got to try this, man. Let me know. let me know if you do something like this. This is a cheat code. You got the fellas coming over, you got the family coming over, and you need something quick to feed, you know, not just yourself, but more people. Go grab you a package of these. Now, this is a smaller one. They also have bigger ones. If you really want to get down, you got a lot of people coming over, go get you a big one of these. I'm trying to tell you, all the stores sell them, but HEB gonna hold you down because these things are great. All right, so what I usually do, we got family or something coming over, I don't get this one, I get the big one. Okay, comes in a big package, and fire that grill up, and man, you are eating within like 30 minutes. Because it's just chicken. It cooks so quick. It's already marinated. All you gotta do is slice that joker up and eat it how you want, right? Just put it in a big old pan, just let everybody go to town, okay? So, man, this is such an easy way. I wanted to share this one with you because I always think about easy meals that are high protein. They're either low carb or whatever fits your personal diet. You know, if you don't want the tortillas, don't eat the tortillas, use something else. Maybe use a lettuce wrap, whatever kind of, if you have your favorite tortilla wrap, use that as well. I'm trying to tell you, this chicken, this beef tastes great and everything, all right? You are gonna love it. If you don't have an HEB, once again, go to your local store and look in the meat area. They usually have pre-marinated chicken and beef fajita. Okay, look for the fajita, and that just makes it easy. Then you don't have to worry about seasoning anything. You don't have to do it yourself. It's already done for you. I mean, you can't make it any easier than that. All you gotta do is just have your sides ready, whatever side you're gonna go with, and just get ready to go to town. If you want to do chips, you can do chips and salsa. Some people, you know, you can add shredded cheese. There's so many ways you can do it, but I always go with my protein first. So the protein in this one is going to be that chicken, okay, or that beef. Go find you that, keep it, and if you don't, you know, just buy it. If you don't use it, put it in the freezer until it's time to get down, okay? That's when you go and say, okay, I got some meat in the freezer, get it out, thaw it out, cook it up, everybody's happy. I'm trying to tell you, this is a way to keep everybody happy right here. So this you can use for a lunch, for a dinner, easy, easy, easy. I'm trying to tell you, it's so good. You gotta try this out. If you already eat something like this, let me know in the comments how you prepare yours. You know, if you got the family coming over and you're like, you know what, we're all about to have some chicken fajitas. We're all about to have some beef fajitas. Hey, mix it up, get chicken and beef, make everybody happy. You know what I mean? It's so simple, really easy. You're buying in bulk, so you're saving a little bit of money. It's pre-marinated. I mean, it's just a win-win all the way around. I mean, you just can't beat it, all right? So definitely go check out some of these options. Let me know, what do you like to add to your fajitas? You know, do you like to get down with like jalapenos? Do you put different kind of hot sauces in there? How do you get down? You know, do you add vegetables? There's all kinds of different ways. There's no one way to do it. You just have to make sure you're making the best decision possible at each meal. And this right here is going to help you make the best decision possible at lunch and at dinner. And let me tell you something, you're probably gonna have some leftovers, and these things are great when you reheat them, and it makes it easy. If you need a lunch idea for tomorrow, go ahead with it. You wanna put some chicken fajita with your eggs, go ahead with it. There's nothing wrong with that. You wanna put some beef fajita with your eggs, come on now. You can't beat that. Fajita and eggs, you got breakfast tacos in the morning with whatever tortillas you wanna use. You can get down like that too. Fajitas and eggs in a tortilla, come on now, you can't beat that. High protein, you're getting it down. You already got the fajitas because you bought them. You already cooked them up. Everything's ready to go. Let me know what you think about this video. I mean, I'm excited to go home and make these because, man, I'm getting hungry just talking about them. So I'm going to go home and make these for lunch for sure. And let me know what you think. And talk to you next time. Let's all keep getting better. Let's go.